we all are fearful. We all get afraid of things, that we get afraid of failures, afraid of new things, afraid of opportunities, afraid of taking risks. We all. This is the human nature of all of us. Fear is such a thing that it can harm a live person without any weapon. It can harm. Fear is such a kind of thing that if it enters inside you, then you start being a coward. You start not taking risks. You start being fearful. We have to understand this, that when we are kids, are we fearful? Do we think that we will get hurt? When we start walking, is there anyone who hold our hand and make us to walk? When we are kids, how we learn the language, how we did it? Is there anyone who puts the words in our mouth? The manners, the etiquettes, how we learn it? It is all by practice. It is all about practicing, trying things. And I will tell you one thing, that when we are kids, when we are teenage, till that time we are not fearful. We aren't. But the moment we get mature, we get older, fear start coming into us. We become fearful. The guy who wants to be young, the guy who thinks that I am not old, due to other reason, it is due to this reason, because they want to take risks. They want to touch the height of the sky. They want to be on the top. They don't want to be old and be fearful in their life. They want to be courageous. They want to be a warrior. They want to fight the life with struggle and hard work. Fear is such a thing which becomes a barrier if it comes into someone, it becomes a barrier in his progress. A guy is illiterate, no matter. A guy is dumb, no matter. A guy is not having interest in the reading, in the work, no matter. But the guy is fearful, it matters. It will ruin his career. It will ruin his life. Fear is such a thing which can harm a person a lot. It is such a thing which can create turbulence in his life. And to control it, you require patience. You require the understanding of yourself. You require the in-depth knowledge of it about yourself and about the thing. You have to understand first that failures and fear, it is correlated. When we get failed, we don't get fearful. But the second time we get failed, we get fearful. And the more the fail we are, the more higher the fearness it will be in us. And this is what some people take it in another way. Some people take it that the failures are the building blocks of the road of success. They take it in another way. They think that the failures will teach them the knowledge of doing a thing in a perfect manner. When you face obstacles, somebody thinks that somebody will just say, when people get fail, failures are their best friend. When failure becomes their best friend, who's not giving their best friend hand, then they blame it to their destiny, they blame it to the time they had, blame it to their luck, they blame it to each and everybody. But they don't want things to come like this. What we think when we think about a plan, what we think each and everything being in positive manner. Do it so? No, my dear. When we plan, we think of positive and negative both of things. When we plan, we think that if this thing happens in this manner, it will good. But if something happens bad, if something happens negative, when we do, we think of a negative thing and we plan then as per that. But in our life, why don't we understand that this is life, dear? This is life. Every time you can't hit a six, there is no one who has just hit it 6 and 6 and 6 and 6. There is no one. You have to play sometimes 1 or 2, sometimes 4, sometimes nothing. And you have to be bold sometimes too. And you have to be. It's just life, practical life. Obstacles, all these things, these will come into your life. There's no one which is not having a problems, difficulties, obstacles. There's no one. There's no one person around who's not facing any problem, any challenges, any difficulty, any sort of disturbance in his life. But the moment we get into any problem, any difficulty in a situation, weird situation, we feel just gone out. We feel, oh my God, what has happened? And we start blaming. Yesterday I was going there and this kind of a thing happened. Today also it happened. We correlate the situation which tomorrow, yesterday happens with tomorrow. This is not the way. You have to live the life. You have to think that the problems and challenges will come each and every day. Each and every new day is a challenge for you. It is not monotonous. I'm not saying that each and every day will be a challenge. It can be a bad day too. There can be a very nice day for you. There can be like anything. But how to deal with this? Question is this. And to deal with this is to turn obstacles into opportunity. The moment you think it is an obstacle, change your vision, change your thought, change your mindset. Think it is as an opportunity and grab it, hold it, try it once. See it that you can deal with it or not. Might be you can fail, but without trying, you should not give up. But without making attempt, you should not give up. You are a warrior. You are a champ. You are a pro. You should not give up your thought, your willpower, your confidence, your attitude, your vision in such a manner that something comes from for you in a distance and you just start blaming each and everything. Oh God, what is this? These are the words of cowards who think that everything should come in their pocket easily. I will tell you one thing. The guy who is positive too high, whose mindset is too high, who don't get confused in a second with a problem, who's like stuff, he has faced a hell lot of problems. And for him, a small problem, a big problem, a bigger problem is no matter for him. He don't get afraid of things coming, different things, surprises coming onto his way. He don't give up his hope. He knows that these will come in his way and he has to deal with it. There is nothing stagnant life of somebody. There is no one who has a stagnant life. You have to deal with the problems, so you have to do. But how you will deal it, the smile, with the gratitude or with the dumb face, thinking of, oh my God, what this problem again, how I will solve it, how I will be doing this. All these things are for negative person who thinks that everything is easy and simple. For them, this life is like miracle. Person who thinks that a small thing is a challenge and opportunity, anything which is coming to their way is a new thing for them and they should explore it. The guy who don't give up their hope, their mindset is totally positive. The confidence in them is too high. The willpower of theirs is like supreme. The thought, the vision is positive. These guys will change their destiny. These guys will make it happen. These guys will change their future because they are not seeing the failures. They are manifesting the positive thoughts in their mind. They are manifesting their future to be like they are manifesting it. They are not just working, but they are working for their future.